I am going the wrong direction. What the? All right, welcome to Mississippi Dashing. My name is Nason, and today it is Tuesday, 4:30, and we are on the road going for our annual $30 a day, trying to add up to $1,000 a month, taking you along with my dashing. So let's get started today and see where we end up. All right, first order of the day is $9.75. It is going about 9 miles, but I'm gonna accept it because it's a double order. And times have been really slow around my area, and this will put me a third of the way to my goal already. So let's get started with this one and get it done. All right, finished that first order. Second order, $5 going 2 miles from Lost Pizza. Let's get it. All right, so while I'm delivering this one, I wanted to talk to you guys about something pretty cool. Now, I live in a small town in Mississippi, so it's not often that we get the new features of Doordash. Well, just before I started my shift tonight, I got a message from Doordash that said they're offering pay by hour. Now, that's an interesting opportunity with Doordash. I'm not sure how I feel about it. Now, it said that they gave a base pay of, like, I'm guaranteed $10 an hour. Now, I mean, for some folks, you know, if you're going for $100 a day and you're just not sure you're gonna get there, $10 an hour, sure. If you want to work that long for that much, yeah, I guess I could see how that would make sense. And who knows, maybe I'll try it in the future. I think that for right now, it just makes more sense for me to just go ahead and do it order by order, because most of the time I'm guaranteed to be able to pick which orders I want. When you do pay by hour, you're only allowed to deny or not take one order per hour. And to be honest, we get a lot of $3 orders. Nobody be tipping. It is exciting to see those features coming to the mass market, you know, because maybe one day, you know, I'll pick it out. I'm thinking maybe a Saturday I'll be like, you know, I don't need the money. Why don't we try $10 per hour? And we'll see how it works. But for now, I think we're gonna stay to, you know, by order. Almost there, about a mile to go on this one. All right, next order, $5.50 for Zachary's 2 miles. Let's do it. Okay, so this guy's delivery is to a hotel. I like hotel deliveries because I get to get out of the car and stretch my legs for a few minutes. Let's get this thing in there. Room 426. All right. Woo. All right, got that one dropped off. Now let's see if we can get out of here, and that puts us at about 2025. So I need $10 more to reach my nightly 30, and then we'll probably just go home. So let's see if we can get some more orders. All right, see, that's what scares me about taking a lot of these like by hour orders. I just got like 3 orders in a row that were $6, $7, and that sounds all good, except that they're going like 10 miles for $7. The one I took a snapshot of was like 2 orders for 2 miles, but it was only like $4. That means people aren't tipping. All right, and that's why you got to be patient, you know? I just waited a little bit, you know, denied the orders that weren't going to make any sense for me, and I got a $9 order for about 6 miles from Zachary's. So we'll hit that up, and we'll be basically $1 from our goal, and early. Nice. Zachary's is on it tonight, man. Second order I picked up from them, and they had it ready as soon as I got there. So we'll hit this up, and because it's a little bit earlier in my night, I'm gonna go for 1 more order, and hopefully that'll make up for yesterday when I had to stop at 27 rather than 30. So here we go. All right, so that order took me a little bit out of my zone, so I'm working back to my zone right now. But just at 6:30, we hit 29.25, so just under $15 an hour, which is pretty normal for my area. So, you know, man, I'm telling you, if I'd have taken that hourly, I wouldn't be making $15 an hour. But we got time for maybe, we'll take 1 more order, and then we'll probably call it a night. Let's go see what we can get. I am going the wrong direction. What the? Leave it to me to go the wrong direction, man. I took a right when I was supposed to be going left. Now I'm like 7 minutes out of my area. 7 minutes more than I would have wanted. It's not that bad, but I have the worst sense of direction. All right, got back to my zone and immediately got an order for $9 for 6 miles. That'll put us almost to 40, and we're gonna take it, and that'll be the last order tonight. Let's go get it. Okay. Man, that was awesome. Sweet Peppers, everybody really is on point this evening. They had the order ready as soon as I walked in. Let's get this thing delivered and done. All right, team, so we got that order delivered, and tonight we're gonna consider that a win. We finished at a little over $38, which beats our 30 for normal nights, and we are headed home to get some dinner with the wife. Really cool, excited about tonight. We're gonna get back at it tomorrow and another night. I'm actually headed out for the weekend, so I won't be able to work over Saturday and Sunday. But yeah, tonight's a victory. If you didn't get to, definitely watch the video I posted yesterday, which will be right up here in the corner. And you know what? I'll see you in the next one.